I hope you are all well. Today I have brought a new video for you guys in which you will get to see some beautiful designs. In this video you will get to see all the decorative items. There are also many designs which are very beautiful and cute. You can make whatever you like yourself. If you don't know how to crochet, you can learn on YouTube. You will find basic video on YouTube and on my YouTube channel. You will get ideas. You can see any designs and make it. Some of the designs in this video are very simple and some are a little difficult. Which designs do you like the most? I will definitely tell you in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and like the video. People who are not good at crochet can make it very easily by watching it on YouTube. You will find both basic and advanced videos on YouTube. You will get ideas in my YouTube video. In this video, you will find many designs which are very beautiful. People can make and sell designs at home and start their small business. There is also lots of demand. I have put together lots of ideas and designs for you in this video, some of which are made of flowers and some are a little uh, beautiful. Which designs do you like the most? Be sure to tell me in the comments. And which design will I bring in the next video? Simple crochet video decorations ideas include making flower and star gland from a natural or boohoo look, creating pattern or simple plant pot cover for your kitchen or living room, and crafting small items and like coasters, small heart motifs, or cute pumpkin decorations for a touch of handmade charm. And small stuffed or 3D items are also popular, along with decorations cover for items like mirror, plant pot, and even chairs. You can learn how to stitch without a stitch. First, you have to practice the loops. If we make the loops well, then the first step of our crochet is very good. Then we work on crochet and we can easily make any shape we want to give it, whatever is a home decorative item, sweaters. There is a huge demand of crochet and knitting during the winter seasons. If you make it yourself and sell it, you will make a lots of profit. Create a small brand on Instagram. You can also take basic classes on YouTube, and if you want you can learn to do step by step. First you have to practice the loop. If we make the loops well, then the first step of our crochet is very good. You can make many things with crochet such as shoulder bags, mobile holders, sweaters,